Welcome to installing SoapUI for Windows 8. I'll be taking you through a step-by-step explanation of the wheres and the whats regarding the installation steps. So those who would like to follow are welcome and continue on the installation by themselves if they like. I will also do a practical installation demonstration at the end if you would like to check out the process first and then of course follow the demonstration with me. Now first of all, SoapUI is completely free. Yes, you heard me correctly, completely free. To access your SoapUI downloader, log on to the SoapUI.org website. Once you are inside, you'll see there will be a big fat green download button that you can access to run your installer. The installer will start immediately, showing the percentage of the level you have reached in the installation. So this would be the first part. Access SoapUI.org and access the download button. Once you click the button, you'll receive your run bar. Once you've downloaded the installer, the installation is pretty straightforward. Start by just double clicking on it. The installer will start immediately. You'll soon see the starting screen, which you can see in the demonstration below. Just click next to continue. So next would be your biggest button. Next will happen quite continuously. You'll be asked to accept a license agreement within the third block. After accepting it, you will be clicking next again. You'll be able to select the destination folder then, where you would like to place your setup. The next step gives you the opportunity to optionally include as additional components SoapUI source files and Hermes installation. Now, of course, any external installations you choose to install will also send out a license agreement block, which you can just tick as yes to continue with your installation. Thus, after accepting any license agreement, you'll be able to select the Start menu folder, as you can see in the image below, where you want the SoapUI shortcut to be added as well, and whether you would like a desktop icon added, as you can see in the next window. Finally, by clicking next, the installation officially starts. So after a couple of minutes at most, the installation should be finished and you should see the next screen. As you can see on the screen over here, the SoapUI official, click finish to exit setup. Once you click on finish, the magic begins. Once your installation is complete, a brand new window with the exact Soap software interface will appear on your screen for you to start. Enjoy! For the next couple of minutes, I'll do a practical demonstration of how to install Soap if the previous theoretical version did not prove effective enough for you. So first things first, let's access the Soap website. As you can see, I've got soapui.org typed in, press enter, and we can access the soap.org website. So I've accessed the SoapUI website. Immediately I will go to Downloads, download SoapUI. Within the link you'll reach the Startup download, and once I click on it, I can receive my download option. The Run installation will appear, and remember, don't click on the Save button, but you click on the Run button, and then the percentage of the installation will start. Now this can take about 10 to 9 to even 20 minutes, depends on the speed of your internet, of course. Alright, so once the installer has been downloaded, we can start with the setup. Once you receive the welcome interface, you can click next. We accept the agreement of the license agreement. You can choose a different destination directory. I've got my C drive at the moment, so I'm going to stick to that, but if you want to change it, you can obviously click on Browse and go select a different destination folder. But in this case, I'm going to keep the one that's been defaulted for me. Right, now here you have a couple of components you can select to install. I'm going to keep the default selections. At this moment it's the SoapUI, Hermes JMS, and tutorials, which can also be saved on my PC. Right, download and install Load UI. I can choose to click it or not, it's your choice. I'm going to leave it unselected. It's not necessary at this moment. Since we are installing Hermes as well, we need to accept the agreement for any other components. Please select the target directory for SoapUI tutorials. Wherever you want your tutorials to be placed, I'm also going to choose the default location they have assigned. Then select the Start menu folder in which you would like the setup to create the program shortcuts. I'm going to create a Start menu folder so I can access it from the Windows 8 Start menu easily, and as well a shortcut for all users. And also a desktop on my a desktop icon on my desktop. It's a little bit more sense. And there we go. We'll be extracting the files. It needs to compile for the entire combination. This might take a while. No more than 2 minutes or a minute, I suppose. Alright, now that was quick. The setup is finished, and now we can do the final installation by clicking on the Finish button. And there we go, you receive your very first interface startup page, and you can start creating your project by using your taskbars and exploring the interface. Enjoy!